With TransLution Software, the entire strip quote and repair process is streamlined, from intake to invoicing, even in the most high-volume or complex operations. The process begins when a customer delivers an item in need of repair. Customer information is captured in TransLution, including whether the item is under warranty. A label is printed and attached to the item to ensure it's tracked throughout the process. As the item moves, from reception to the wash bay or workshop, each location is scanned and recorded in TransLution, maintaining a full movement history. At the workshop, the technician strips the item to identify the fault. This step is called strip and quote. A job is created in Syspro, and materials needed for the repair are scanned and allocated to the job using TransLution. For non-warranty items, a customer quotation is generated. This can be saved as a file or emailed directly from TransLution, removing the need for custom quoting solutions. If the customer accepts the quote, or if the repair is covered by warranty, materials are issued to the job and the repair can begin. Once the repair is complete, the job is closed in TransLution, preventing any further material issues and alerting the front desk that the item is ready for return. The final step is invoicing the customer and dispatching the repaired item, closing the loop on a fully traceable, efficient process. From job creation and parts tracking to quoting and invoicing, TransLution Software ensures accuracy, control, and transparency across the entire repairs process.